I got my Boxycharm thing right here. I just realized I don't have anything to like cut it. Let's see.
6.5 hours later.
So lazy. Oh, it's so cute. I've never really looked at this before, but it says but it says Boxycharm, and like it says hello charmer. That's cute. Okay, so this is, I'm guessing, the fall one. This is how it looks inside. I actually get super excited for these. I kind of want to do the Ipsy one, but I wasn't too sure just because, I don't know. I see Ipsy more than I see Boxycharm, but I guess I see Boxycharm more now.
This is so ugly.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this Lorac. This is a matte lip color, pro matte lip color. For the sake of the video, I will test this out. Oh, this is a pretty color. The thing is, these colors don't look that good on me, but like I said, for the sake of this video, I guess I'll try it. Swatching it, this is how it looks. Oh, I can say it's pigmented and it's very creamy. So, I don't know, I'm just not used to any lipstick, so like when I wear it, I don't even know how to line my own lips. Okay. The thing is, my lips get so swollen in the mornings and they have literally no shape whatsoever. Like this little thing right here, I made that. My lips are literally like round. It's so bad. This is what that looks like. What color is this in? It is in fuchsia. Oh, I will say, makes my teeth look white, but I look like a clown. So, taking that off. Okay, so the next thing I got was these set of brushes. Oh, these look nice. I've never had green brushes before. These are my mom's brushes here. She has a vanity and I don't. Makes more sense though, because she puts on way more makeup than I do. Like, she wears it on more often, I don't. So these are the 3 brushes. I do want to expand my makeup collection though, but probably when I move out, which hopefully is soon, or we get a house, whichever comes first. I don't know. So we have a flat brush, we have a blending brush, and we have kind of like a eyeliner brush. Okay, I see you. When it's focused, but it won't. I don't know if you could see that, but that's like a roller ball. Look at this. Wow, okay. For the sake of this video, I shall try the eyeliner. Forewarning, I'm not good at eyeliners. And I have really small eyelids, so it doesn't look good on me either, but I'll try it. You see, you guys are right there on all that stuff. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. As I told you before, I'm not that good at eyeliners, so this, if it doesn't come out good, I already warned you guys. This eyeliner actually came out pretty spot on. Okay, I give this, okay, let me rate them so far. The brush is 10 out of 10. This, not rating the color, if this was a different color, I probably would have loved it more, but just like rating the consistency and the texture and the quality, it's a 10 out of 10 as well. But if you want more of a matte, that's probably not the go-to, because this smudges really easily. I mean, it does look matte, but it's like very oily or like creamy, so I don't think it'll last very long. This is a 10 out of 10. And the last but not least is this Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. That is a pretty long name. This is what it looks like. It's really cute packaging. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it has a mirror. Hey, okay, out there. This is the eyeshadow. I'll swatch them for you, just to see what the colors look like. Ooh, and these are very pigmented as well. I'm not good at swatching, I'm just gonna tell you, but here's a close-up of the palette, and these are the colors. I'll focus that. They're very, very pretty, actually. Oh, look at that pigment, though. And my lips are still very pink. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, because as I say in almost every video and every description box, I am going to be doing a face painting series because, fun fact, I have so many hidden talents. I don't know what they're called, but I just love anything to do with like artistic ability. Like I like doing nails, I like doing hair, I like doing makeup, face painting, I like singing, I like playing instruments. Like I do all that stuff, and I want to incorporate that into my YouTube channel because it's a part of me. It's something I've always done since as long as I can remember. So stay tuned for that series, and it's coming up pretty soon. I'm already thinking of ideas and stuff I want to do, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to be notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.